Hi guys, you know that when you have an RV, it doesn't matter what kind of RV you have, trailer, fifth wheel, motorhome, Class A, anything. There's never a shortage of projects to do. So as full-timers, we have to pick and choose the days that we do our projects. Today I'm going to do a real simple project and install this thin shade. I had one in our door earlier, but the top and bottom bars from the sun hitting it all the time warped, and so it was real hard. They were actually this way, concave, so I couldn't, when I would get one installed, I mean, it popped out of the holders. When we were at the Grand Design Rally, LCI swapped it out for a brand new one, and we're going to install that today, and hopefully this one won't warp on us. So let's get started on that. So I'm going to take these things out of the package. All bundled up. We've got directions and we've got a box. We don't need those. We've already done this. All right. Undo this and this. And let me get up here. All right. Don't need that. We've installed this before, so I don't need to look at the directions, but I do need a ladder. Sorry, I can't talk. One of the things about the window shade in the door is they're real nice, but you can't adjust them with the door closed. You have to open the door and do your adjustment, open the screen door, do your adjustment, and then close it back. So it's a little inconvenient, but it is a nice option. What I like about it is, one, it stops the sun from coming in. Even though there's a tinted window, I like the privacy at night. I can pull the shade up, close it either way. You can install it either way, so that you pull the shade down, or you can install it so you pull the shade up. And I like it in the down position, so I can pull the shade down and have access. You'd have to be really tall to be able to see up inside the fifth wheel with the shade pulled down a little ways. But I can see it. I can see out to see who's at my front door. So it's kind of a safety feature there. Also like it that I can close it at night. All right, I'm going to put this base in. You got to pull the string up on both sides. Put this base in. Well, this window was thin shade ready, so we didn't have to do anything special other than put those little levers over to catch the cams. Okay, if your door is not thin shade ready like ours was, you can buy a frame with a thin shade already in it, and you can install it on your window too. Oops, I have it backwards. There's a lip here that needs to be installed to the outside so you can open and close your shade. So I'm going to have to pull this back out and flip it around so that the lip is on the outside. This channel goes down so that your cams will connect and hold it in. It's a little bit tight, but it will go in. And then you push that little lever there, and that turns the cam. We've got a broken lever on this one because while we were trying to keep the one that was warped in, it broke. Now I'm going to put this one up on here and close the cams. Now I have a thin shade that works the way I want it to. So here's an installation for moving the shade up from the bottom position, okay? I want mine to go down from the top position. So I'm going to open these cams back up. I'm going to open this cam and this cam. I'm going to pull these back out. Now, I'm going to raise this, flip the whole thing over. I'm going to install this one on top. Like I said, it's a little bit tight, but it will go up in there. And get it square. Close the cams so they connect with that. Look, I even have the lip facing out like I should. Push that down. I'm going to hold it down while I'm closing the cams. Nope, didn't catch. Stand by. We're having technical difficulties. All right. Make sure I got that in there. This one's a little hard, but you can feel the cam when it connects with the bottom piece. Now I can open and close my shade from the top down, and that gives me privacy enough that I can see out from the inside, but it would take a giant, even on the top step, to see inside from the outside. That's it for today.